Now we learned how to do the formatting in the regular way using the menu tab. Let's learn a quicker way on doing some kind of quick formatting for the cells while you're doing your workflow. Let's go to our Excel sheet. Let's say you have here those 8 lines of data. Then you want to do formatting. Before we said you go home, you go to conditional formatting and you do the formatting needed. What if you want a quicker way to do formatting or repeat a previous formatting in this case? So what you do, in your left mouse, you click on the first cell you want and you drag while still pressing on the left button in your mouse all the way to 8. Then you let go the left button. You can see here it's called Quick Analysis Tool, or you can use Control Q. I will left click on that. Now he's telling you there's a formatting, charts, totals. We don't care about those for now. The formatting, you can say either make the data having a data bars representation or a color representation, icon set, and having differentiation of the numbers based on the value, top 10%, or clear formatting in this case. Let's take the greater. I will left click on the greater conditional formatting in this case. Now he give you right away the equation tab or the pop-up menu to put the equation needed. So format the cells that are greater than a certain number. So any cell from the selected ones over here that is greater than 3, I need it to be flagged in red. I'll put 3 here. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are flagged with red. You can choose as well what kind of formatting you want, light red fill with dark red text, or you can go yellow fill, green fill, light red, red border, and so on. Let's go with yellow. He will give it to you in yellow. Click OK. Now your cell is formatted. What if you want to clear that formatting? Same thing, you click on this and you go clear. Now your formatting is clear. As simple as that.